The 56-inch Fortra is a modern-style ceiling fan with curved ABS blades and a powerful AC motor. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is remote control operated. The 56-inch blade span is best suited for great rooms that are 20 feet by 20 feet or larger. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the canopy ring. Unscrew and remove the non-slotted canopy mounting screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. Twist and separate the hanger bracket from the canopy. On the ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Slide the wires through the down rod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Note that the down rod does not need to be completely tightened into the collar. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy onto the down rod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to attach the ground lead, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. If you purchased a longer down rod to install on the fan, you can use the included wire extender to provide more length. The wire extender is not required if using the down rod included with the fan. At the outlet box, loosen the 2 screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and slide it over the screws. Tighten both screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and place the ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the fan to align the groove in the ball with the tab on the bracket. To avoid interference from other fans or devices, you can set the frequency code in the remote and the receiver. Locate the dip switches on the receiver. Flip the dip switches to create a new and unique code. Access the battery compartment of the remote and duplicate the code. The dip switch codes must match, or the fan will not function. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling and slide it into the hanger bracket with the flat side facing up. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, and hanger bracket together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire in your box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the receiver with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the receiver with the hot wire from the outlet box. Connect the 2-pin wire connector from the receiver with the connector from the motor. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. If you have any additional wires from your outlet box that will not be used for the installation, cap them off with a wire nut. Turn the connections upward and tuck towards the outlet box. Lift the canopy over the canopy hanger bracket screws and twist to hold in place. Insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. Slide the canopy ring over the screws and twist to lock into place. The ceiling mounting is complete, and the fan blades can now be installed. Bring a fan blade up to the motor. Ensure the up arrow is facing upward and align the holes over the blade brackets. Bring a blade support plate up to the motor and ensure the up arrow is facing upward. Align the support plate over the holes, then insert 3 blade attachment screws. Use the included hex wrench to tighten all screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. On the remote, install the included battery to begin using the fan. Press the power button to toggle the fan on or off. Press the fan speed button to cycle through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. With the fan turned off, use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. An optional wall holder for the remote is included. Remove the cover and use the wall holder screws to attach to any wall. Reinsert the cover and place the remote in the holder. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and replacement parts, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.